Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. If you don't know yet, I am just Jules. If you haven't yet, go ahead and hit that subscribe button and go ahead and also hit that like button if you like this video, and comment below on anything that you like about this video or things that you would love for me to post next. So and also don't forget that I do have an email address that you guys can reach me at. Sorry, got tongue tied. I have an email that I will post over here that you guys can send me emails on things that you would love for me to talk about, that you are going through, that you want me to listen to, that you want me to give you my opinion on, because I do have a segment that I would love to do that is called Talk to Me Jules. And in that segment, I would love to read emails that you guys send to me that you guys want my advice on, and so on and so forth. So don't forget about that email. Once again, it'll be in the description below and over here above somewhere up here. Okay, so today's video, as you guys can see, well, some of you may assume it's a makeup video. I'm not a makeup artist. I don't do anyone else's makeup. I just love doing my makeup whenever I go out. But a lot of you guys did send me DMs and asking me to put up a video on how I do my makeup, more so like natural looks or something that would be like an everyday look. So I did something here, which is something like an everyday look that you guys could do. So, you know, hopefully you guys enjoy this video. You makeup artists out there, I know I may miss some things. I may don't do things that you guys don't do. Please, please, please don't judge me. I just did basically what works for me and what has been working for me these past few years. So don't forget again to subscribe and hit the like button, and I will see you on my next video. Alright guys, so here I am picking up my Slay eyeshadow palette. Yes, it says Slay in the front. That is the Slay eyeshadow palette by Makeup Revolution. I did purchase that from Ulta. I'm actually not using it for the eyeshadows. I'm using it for the mirror that's in there to do my eyebrows. Then I also picked up my Brow Stylist Definer by L'Oreal in the color Soft Black. And then I picked up my brow pencil, which I purchased from the Dollar Tree. I will put the details below in the description. So here I am filling in my eyebrows because, guys, I have no eyebrows. So what I do is I outline it with the Stylist Definer, and then I shade it in with the brow pencil to my liking. Alright, you see here I picked up my Brow Stylist Definer. It has a brush at the end. I like to use that to brush in my eyebrows to my liking still. And then next I am picking up my Equal Tools brush that I purchased from Walmart. It has the shade and define, and it comes with also a whole bunch of other brushes too, but I use that one specifically to define and shape my eyebrows. And then next I picked up the LA Girl Pro Concealer in the color Espresso. Guys, let me tell you, this is my favorite, okay? My favorite. I love it because the color is so natural and it blends in with my skin complexion. So what I am doing, I am shaping my eyebrows with the Espresso. Ladies, if you have a skin complexion like mine, and you just want to do your eyebrows and get going, you could definitely use the Espresso to shape your eyebrows and no one would notice that you have that makeup on. Alright guys, after I shape my eyebrows with the concealer, I like to blend and keep on blending and blending and blending until you do not see the concealer. Guys, the key to this all is blending. Sometimes I slip up and miss a spot or two, but other than that, blend, blend, and continue blending. Alright guys, so I have completed both of my eyebrows, and guys, I am feeling myself. You hear me? You can't tell me nothing. I don't know what song I was listening to, but I was definitely feeling myself. So next I am picking up my concealer again, and I am picking up my blending sponge. Yes, I know it's dirty, but trust me, I clean it after. And then what I am doing here, I am applying the concealer on my eyelids. So what I like to do here, so since this is a natural look, this is the color that I'm going to use. I'm not going to use any eyeshadows. So I'm going to use the concealer as my, pretty much my base, I guess. So I like to put like 3 layers on top so that it could give me that extra oomph, that natural look. And then I just continue to blend until I like it. Alright guys, so I have finished both of my eyelids. So now I am picking up my foundation by Black Opal in the color Black Walnut. And then next I'm also picking up another foundation by Maybelline Fit Me, the color 380 Espresso. One of my friends who do makeup, she taught me that I can mix both of those colors to blend in perfectly with my skin complexion. Because what I was doing before, I was using Black Opal by itself, but I did not realize that that color was too light for me. So mixing both of those colors has definitely made a change. But guys, if you do know of a makeup brand that has my skin complexion, please leave it in the comments below. I'll be more than happy to look into it and make a purchase, because guys, sometimes it do gets tiring mixing, and then on top of that I have to buy 2 different makeup foundations for my skin. So now what I'm doing, guys, like I said before, I am blending, making sure that the color is equal on my skin. Not color, but you know, the foundation is equal to my skin. And then yeah, pretty much I'm just making sure that it's good. Okay, it's perfect. Not perfect, but I'm making sure that it's good. Guys, don't forget under your chin. I had to learn that the hard way. So make sure you are putting the makeup under your chin. Alright, so now we're going to do the fun part, which is concealing and contouring. So I'm applying the concealer Espresso on my face and my nose. Guys, I don't like to contour my nose. I just like to apply the line going down my nose, but I will not be changing the shape of my nose or anything like that, because I like the shape of my nose, so I don't change it. I just like to apply the concealer on it just because, and then I like to blend it through, but I'm not changing the shape of my nose or anything like that. Guys, don't mind my dog in the background. She's definitely trying to get out, but hey, she came in there with me, so she got stuck in there with me. So guys, don't forget, I will keep on saying it, blend, blend, blend. That is definitely important. I know it's getting annoying, but you gotta learn to blend. Blend, blend, blend. And that is exactly what I'm doing here. I'm blending until I can't blend no more. Alright, now I'm picking up my contour duo. I purchased that from the beauty supply store. This is another step to the contour process. I am going to contour my cheekbones. I like to have my cheekbones popping. So ladies, if you want to do this step, I would recommend the contour duo. I love it. I got introduced to it and I never turned back. This is definitely one of my favorite things to do, and that is contouring my cheekbones. Alright, so now I am picking up my Kat Von D Lock-It Powder Foundation in the color Deep 72. This is definitely something else that I was introduced to. I do not bake. That's something that never worked for me. I just never liked it. So I just like to put on a finishing powder once I'm done applying my foundation and my concealer to finish off the look. So I'm putting this on the location that I had applied the concealers to give it that finished matte look so that it can last me all day. Alright, so now I'm picking up my eyeliner by Maybelline in the color black. This is what I'm going to use to apply my eyeliner. I do not like this step at all, but I do it anyways because it's cute. So that is what you're going to see me do here. And also I purchased this from Amazon. So guys, I will not be creating a wing because like I said, this is a natural look and I don't want that wing look. Okay, so now I will be applying some blush, and this is Juvia's Palace, the Saharan Blush Volume 2, and I use the color B. I don't too much put blush all the time, but when I do, I do. But I don't like it to be that much obvious, so that's why you're not going to see it that much, but that is what I'm applying, the blush. So I'm picking up my Black Radiance contour palette and I will be using it just for the highlight. That is my favorite highlight, in which I will be applying it to my cheekbones. Guys, I love this highlight. Like, it is popping. Like, girl, yes honey, look at that highlight. You see it? Yes, 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 yes. And I am applying it on top of my nose and on top of my lip just to give it that glistening look. Alright, so now I'm picking up this eyeliner. It's like a dark brown. I am using it on my lip as a lip liner. I did purchase this from the beauty supply store. I'm not too sure the name brand or the exact color, but it is a dark brown. I think you could use any dark brown eyeliner or lip liner, whichever one you see fit, but I like to use this lip liner, this eyeliner as a lip liner to outline my lips. Alright, so now I'm picking up my favorite nude lip cream by NYX in the color Abu Dhabi. It is matte. I like to apply this on my lip, and when I do, I like to apply my lip liner due to the fact that I do not like to wear this on its own because I'm not a fan of just wearing nude or pink lipstick without a liner. But if you do want to go ahead and wear it on its own, go right on ahead. But for me, I like to put on an lip liner, not eyeliner, but lip liner. Alright, so instead of wearing the matte look, I'm going to apply my black Radiance lip gloss. I got it from Walgreens. I will be applying that over my lips to give it that gloss look. Alright, now the hardest part for me, which is applying eyelash. This is the Ardell Demi Wispies. Guys, usually I do not wear Ardell. I usually like wearing Kiss. Kiss is my favorite brand, but during this time I could not find Kiss anywhere, so I went ahead and I purchased the Ardell Demi Wispies in the color black. And then I'm applying the eyelash glue on the eyelash to apply on my eyelids. And guys, when I say this is so hard for me, I like to do it standing up with both of my hands, so that's why it looks like I'm struggling here. But yeah, this is not my favorite thing to do. Like, I hate it so much, but hey, beauty is pain. Oh child, it is over. Oh, thank God. Done. So now the final step, I will be applying my mascara. This is the Mega Volume by Wet n Wild. I like to apply mascara to my eyelash just to give it the dark look, because there is some makeup on my actual natural eyelashes. So I like to apply mascara on my eyelash just so that it can blend properly with the eyelash. Guys, I poked my eye and it was burning. I tried so hard not to tear up, but yeah, I poked my eye. Alright guys, I'm all done. Guys, this is a look that you can definitely wear every day, out to work, anywhere that you want. It is a natural look. So guys, don't forget to hit the subscribe button, and I will see you on my next video.